To the final day of YYC Hot Chocolate Fest 2023. Thank you so much to everybody that came out to support a good cause and enjoy a delicious hot chocolate. Whether you chose the Lovestruck or the Get Yolk'd, the response has been awesome. It's been so overwhelming. I don't know if this can be an official tally, but definitely our 8th year entering Get Yolk'd has been overwhelmingly positive, and we have literally lost track of the number of times we've been asked, will this drink stay on the menu, and can I have the recipe? So in this short little video, I want to answer those two questions and let you know what's going to go on moving forward. So the end of this year's YYC Hot Chocolate Fest, February 28th, will mark the end of the Get Yolk'd being available, at the Elixir Bar, but we may bring it back in future. I don't know. I don't want to offer anything right now. It's a possibility, but I will say that we will give you the recipe. So we are going to have a class March 12th. That's a Sunday. It's going to be 90 minutes from 1 to 2:30. I will walk you through the art of crafting a delicious, amazing hot chocolate, as well as a very specific, exact recipe for the Get Yolk'd, as well as the Lovestruck, and some of our previous entries. If you know, this was our 8th year entering into this contest. We were one of the earlier businesses to jump on board, to support this charity, to get involved in this cause, and we've done really well, and we have a lot of fun every single year that we enter. It creates this wonderful, inspiring, fun, creative challenge for the staff to come up with a new hot chocolate recipe. And hey, we are up for it. Hot chocolate is our specialty, and from winning first place to runner-up to cup runneth over and all the awards, but most importantly, the feedback that we get to see those smiles, to see you enjoying those drinks, that is the best ever, and we want you to continue. The Get Yolk'd is absolutely amazing. It's delicious. The Lovestruck with those herbal infusions of all the aphrodisiacs, we want to give you those recipes. So March 12th will be the date. If you join live in person, you want to be here in the room with me as we create those drinks and past year entries, absolutely, please do. Limited space, but if you can't make it live, either because the timing doesn't work or you are not in the Calgary area, then you can sign up for the online portion. Everybody, regardless if you're in person or online, will get a recording of the class, so you can watch it anytime thereafter. Plus, you'll get the recipe booklet that will have the recipes for not only the Get Yolk'd and the Lovestruck, but several other previous year's entries to YYC Hot Chocolate Fest. So go to lightcellar.ca. Literally, I just posted it, and would love to have you join us for that class.